The history of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan began on August 14, 1947, when the country became an independent nation in the form of Dominion of Pakistan within the British Commonwealth as the result of Pakistan movement and the partition of India. Pakistan is full of breathtaking locations which will make you fall in love with this country all over again. If you are a tourist or love traveling, then you must compile a list of places you plan to visit next year. Official name: Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Form of government: Federal Republic with 2 legislative houses. Senate 104. National Assembly 342. Head of State: President, Arif Alvi. Head of Government: Prime Minister, Imran Khan. Capital: Islamabad. Official languages: English, Urdu. Official religion: Islam. Monetary unit: Pakistani rupee, PKR. Population: 2018 EST 214,249,000. Population rank: in 2018 number 5. Population projection 2030: 242,564,000. Total area: 881,889 square kilometers. Density, persons per square kilometer: 242.9. Urban-rural population: urban 44.3%, rural 55.7%. Life expectancy at birth: male 66.1 years, female 70.1 years. Literacy, percentage of population age 15 and over literate: male 72.2%, female 47.3%. Pakistan is bounded by Iran to the west, Afghanistan to the northwest and north, China to the northeast, and India to the east and southeast. The coast of the Arabian Sea forms its southern border. 13 Pakistani tourist spots you must visit in 2016. Naltar Valley, Neelam Valley, Azad Kashmir. Shangri-La Resort, Skurdo. Gojal Valley, Deosai Plains. Rama Meadow, Paye. Ayun and Bamburet Valley. White Palace Swat. Mubarak Village Karachi. Ganj District, Gilgit-Baltistan. Ranakot Fort. Gorak Hill. Travelers can experience the historical heritage of one of the oldest civilizations in the world, worship at the rich collection of Sufi shrines, Hindu temples, Sikh gurdwaras, and Buddhist monasteries, scale some of the highest mountains in the world, or simply experience natural beauty ranging from blossoming trees against a backdrop of snow-clad peaks in Gilgit-Baltistan to pristine beaches in Gwadar. However, despite this wealth of tourist attractions, Pakistan's tourism sector trails far behind that of India, Turkey, Sri Lanka, and the region in general.